Scene script. Have you ever pondered upon the question, what does it mean for a machine to think? It's an intriguing notion, isn't it? It's been the driving force behind the evolution of artificial intelligence, or AI, a journey marked by remarkable ingenuity and innovation. This journey, this tale of evolution, is a fascinating one. So fascinating, in fact, that it's worth delving into. Our story starts in the mid-20th century, when the term artificial intelligence was but a gleam in the eyes of the pioneers of the field. Men like Alan Turing, who laid the groundwork for what would become one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. Turing's work in theoretical computation opened up a world of possibilities, a world where machines could mimic human thought. However, the journey wasn't always smooth. The field of AI saw its fair share of winters, periods of disillusionment and reduced funding. But, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, AI always bounced back, stronger than before. The resilience of the researchers and the strength of the field were tested, but they stood firm, ready to face the next wave of challenges. The turning point came in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, catalyzed by exponential increases in computational power and data availability. AI was no longer just a theoretical concept. It was becoming a tangible reality. The advent of deep learning marked a revolution in the field, unlocking unprecedented capabilities in pattern recognition and problem solving. It was an era of breakthroughs, an era of possibilities. Yet with all this power, with all these breakthroughs, came a whole new set of challenges. Ethical dilemmas started to surface as AI began to permeate every aspect of society. Questions about privacy, bias, and accountability became louder and more pressing. The AI community had to grapple with these issues to find a balance between innovation and ethical responsibility. And now, we find ourselves at the cusp of a new era. The emergence of transformer architectures, complex models capable of understanding and generating human-like text, heralds a future filled with even more remarkable feats. The possibilities seem endless, the potential, limitless. So what does this journey, this evolution of AI tell us? It tells us a tale of resilience, of innovation, and of continual learning. It reminds us of the power of human ingenuity and the responsibility that comes with it. It shows us that the journey of AI, much like our own journeys, is one filled with challenges, breakthroughs, and endless possibilities. But most importantly, it tells us that the story of AI is far from over. It's just getting started.